Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn. Welcome to A Simple Tweak. If this is your first time in this channel, I invite you to subscribe. And if you already did, thank you. Today's recipe is a simple and easy quinoa salad. This salad is packed with protein and is made with delightful fresh vegetables. Now let's cook. To make this quinoa salad, the first step is to cook the quinoa. Place the already rinsed quinoa in a pot and add 2 cups of water. Cover the pot and let the quinoa cook for 15 minutes at a low heat. After 15 minutes, the quinoa is ready. While the quinoa is cooling down, let's dice the vegetables. Now let's make the dressing. Grab lemons, honey, salt, and black pepper. Squeeze the lemons into a small bowl or container. Add the honey, salt, and pepper. You're gonna wanna mix it well. Now you're ready to dress your quinoa salad. This salad is perfect for lunch or dinner, and it can be easily packed for a picnic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and visit my website, asimpletweak.com, for more recipes like this one.